remarkable twist spanning nearly 6 decades, the fresh arrival of CSX10000 Shelby Cobras as complete cars in the United Kingdom has emerged. This novel iteration of the renowned roadster intertwines the championship heritage of the 1962 to 1967 Shelby Cobra with a plethora of modern enhancements. Among these, a novel Ford Coyote V8 engine takes center stage, its potency extendable to a staggering 700 horsepower through supercharging. At the forefront of this revelation, the Shelby Cobra CSX10000 will first grace the United Kingdom, exclusively attainable through the officially authorized specialist vendor, Clive Sutton. Cast your mind back to the debut of the Shelby Cobra at the 1962 New York Auto Show, subsequently undergoing a facelift in 1965, featuring a computer-engineered frame and a robust Ford engine. Akin to a harmonious accord, Clive Sutton's liaison with Shelby heralds the inaugural offer of a fully assembled, ready-to-go Shelby Cobra in its contemporary embodiment for British purchasers. This milestone occurrence commemorates the resplendent resurgence of the renowned roadster on British soil. Proudly sporting the iconic Shelby Cobra contour, the CSX10000 series introduces the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine shared with the latest Ford Mustang. This fuel-injected, naturally aspirated powerhouse generates a spirited 460 horsepower and a torque of 420 pound-foot, flawlessly matched with a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. The design of 18-inch wheels, meticulously crafted to mimic the original 15-inch Cobra wheels, is coupled with Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires, with the rear tires measuring 335/30 ZR18 and the front ones 275/35 ZR18. This fusion of power steering and Willwood power-assisted 4-pot front brake calipers flawlessly encapsulates the modern embodiment of Shelby's original 1960s Cobra. The choice between right and left-hand drive is a luxury extended to prospective buyers. For the avid enthusiasts of paramount performance, a tantalizingly supercharged rendition of the Shelby Cobra is up for grabs. This amalgamation results in a formidable output of 700 horsepower, with torque clocking in at 550 pound-foot. The upgrade unfurls with the integration of a Whipple twin-screw 3.0-liter supercharger, thrusting the car into a domain that pays homage to the exhilarating Shelby Cobra of the 1960s. The interior pays homage to the first-generation Shelby Cobra, as evidenced by meticulously replicated dials and gauges. In other domains, opulent upholstery graces the interior, featuring diamond-stitched leather that can be customized with a spectrum of colors and stitching. This harmonious interplay of elements seamlessly complements the iconic design language.